Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own faction on the Marvel Rivals game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marvel Rivals game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the homepage after logging in. Now from here, if you wish to create your very own faction, click on the tournament menu at the top section and you will now be taken into the Marvel Rivals Championship screen. From here, click on Factions. And now you can find the create faction button. Go ahead and click on it and you will now be able to create your faction. Just type in your desired name for your faction followed by the abbreviation. After entering your faction name as well as abbreviation, you can choose your primary language and then select the required rank for application. You can also choose the admission rule, whether you will need to apply in order to join or if it's free for all. Then you may also choose the region followed by the preferences for your platform. Now, you may also type any announcement message that will be sent to any person that joins your faction right away. After this, you can customize the emblem or the logo for your faction, and you may also randomize by clicking on the random emblem option. After choosing your logo, you can click on the create faction button, and now your faction has been successfully created. You can now start to invite other players into your faction, and you may make various other changes that you wish from the 3 dots at the top section. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create your own faction on the Marvel Rivals game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.